Oh, dude. Alright guys, welcome to Ricky's Kayak Fishing Adventures. I know I haven't properly introduced the name of the channel to the channel, but here we are, RKFA guys. So we finally made it to Baffin Bay. I don't know if you guys can see the sunrise. There's the sunrise. It's a little breezy. The wind is supposed to pick up around 10, so I don't know. I think we're gonna have a few hours window. But today's we're gonna be targeting only black drum and trout. So we're not gonna be targeting redfish nor flounder. If they get hooked, cool. If not, it's all right. But trout and black drum is what we're after. So let's get the kayak unloaded and head on the water. Tight lines, guys. And we already have a light breeze coming from the south. So I got these knockout batteries, guys. They're 12 volts and they're 10 amp hours. And they're completely sealed. I don't know if you guys can see. That's what I have two of them, and I've got those running my fish finder or my GPS unit or chart plotter, whatever you guys want to call it. For Baffin, I mainly use this to look for rock structures. When you buy these fish or these units, they come preloaded with some maps and stuff, but you can also buy the chip, the little SD card that comes already preloaded. That comes loaded with more more detailed maps. All right, man. We are ready to hit the water. Nope, not yet. Connect my transducer. Alright, so I have some Velcro that I have under here to secure it. The transducer on the bottom of this plate. Oh, it feels like I'm forgetting something. Got my cap, got my GoPro, got this, got gloves, got buff. Maybe because I'm in this other kayak, it feels a little weird. Today we are fishing Baffin Bay. Haven't been here in months. The back bay's been low lately, so I figure why go out there and chance it if it's gonna be difficult to get in there. And I think today we're gonna have like a 3-hour window before the south wind actually starts coming in. So I guess about 500 or 600 yards that way there's some rock structure, but when there's a drop off, I don't know if you guys can see this little drop off here. We're gonna see if there's some trout. It's about almost 4 feet deep. Guess we'll toss the top water around a few times, see if we can get some gator trout to hit. It is a good wading spot. I've seen a lot of wake fishermen out here when I would come and fish here all the time. I have a Lowrance, man, what's his unit? I'll post the name of the unit. I think it's like a TI
5 or something, and it's a touchscreen. It's a touchscreen unit, but once that screen gets a little wet, man, it's hard to when you're messing with the screen. I need to work this top water a little slower. So the water temperature, man, 55 degrees. Whew, man. Water temperature is 55 degrees, which I think I need to work this top water a little slower. If I don't get any strikes here in the next 4 or 5 casts, then we'll switch to a popping cork and see if we get any strikes with it. And if it does, then we'll keep using a popping cork. But if this top water gets hits, then we'll stick with the top water. So what I'm using, guys, is the Heaton one knocker, and it's a one knocker spook, and it's got the, I guess, the pattern of a trout. I know some of you guys are topwater fishermen, trout fishermen, and all I'm putting out is redfish videos, so I figured let's change it up too and put out some trout videos. What don't I like about my power pole? That noise right there. I think that noise has to scare the fish. Okay. So that was a few casts with the top water. Let's give the old popping cork a shot here. So how many of you guys like black drum, man? Because I love eating black drum. I use fish bites, and that seems to work here at Baffin. I've caught redfish off of fish bites also. And the ones I would use was the green colored shrimp flavor. Alright, let's move a little bit. So we're at about 2.5 feet, and though, I mean, there's a little, I guess the water kind of dips here and there. That's kind of what we want to look for, is the little drop-offs. So what I'm using under the popping cork, guys, is the AM lures that I won in that fishing tournament a couple weeks ago. They seem to work pretty okay at the fish habitat. Let's see if we can get lucky here. So I'm using the exact same lure from what's the day, Friday, from 6 days ago. It's been sitting in my room on the hook. So let's see if this stuff still has enough juice or enough scent to work this morning. Alright, let's see. We are right at the little drop off, I guess between 2 and 3 feet. So if you guys never fished Baffin Bay, man, it gets pretty rough out here. We barely have just hardly any breeze right now, and you guys can see the waves already. Here, fishy, fishy, fishies. Here, fishy, fishies. Alright, come on, let's get a big old trout here. Oh, I already got a hit. Oh, come on, come on. I don't know what that was. Alright, let's see if they're back over this little drop off. Ooh, man, my arm hurts. This popping cork is no joke. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but hold on, guys. All right, I don't know if you guys can see here, but there's the triangles, or the little triangles to me, and I'm gonna go to those red dots are marked. They're rocks. We're gonna fish the rock structures. We're gonna kind of go around them, and since the wind is blowing us this way, we're gonna go around and anchor up and trying to see if we can get us some drum and some trout on those rocks. So the wind's not that bad. The waves aren't that bad yet. We need to hurry up and get to the spot and get some fishing. So we're gonna be using some fish bites for the black drum. And I'm gonna toss one fishing rod out, and the one thing I forgot to bring was a rod holder. But that's okay. We will adapt and overcome. So we're still about 6 to 7 feet deep. Alright guys, I'm gonna start tossing the popping cork here. And we're gonna kind of drift to the rock structure. We should be drifting right over the rocks in a few. Alright, let's see what we see here. Oh, dude! Oh, man! I don't know what it is, guys. Fish on. I'm gonna have to go chase this guy. Probably an oversized red. Right before that rock structure. Dude, are you kidding me, man? What is this? Shaking his head now, big time. Oh, man. Dude, come on, what are you? Oh man, just please don't come off. Alright, it's coming back this way. Oh, come on. There we go. What are you? Oh man, it's coming right straight to us. Oh man. That wasn't going to the kayak. Alright, there's a popping cork. Oh man. I think it's a big old bull. There we go. Dude, what are you? Oh man, it's a big, oh, what is it, man? Is it a bull? Oh man, bull red. Holy crap. Holy crap. Woo! Yeah, biggest bull red on the kayak. Oh, dude, come on, man. Oh, man, come on. Dude. Oh my God, this beast. I'm gonna have to fish grip him because I don't think he's gonna fit in the net. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Oh man. You are one beast. Woo! Come on. I don't know how I'm gonna land you. Whoa. Oh man, come on. Dude. Oh man. Oh my God, bro. Holy crap, man. Oh man, you swallowed this hook. Oh man, look at that, guys. AM lure. Oh, oh my God. Dude, are you freaking serious, man? Holy crap, man. Holy crap. All right, man, let's take a quick picture. Woo, man. Dude, I don't even know how big you are. How big are you, man? Let's see. Okay. You are, dude, 40-inch easily. All right, man, let's get you in the water. Let's get you back in the water. Man, personal best on a kayak, dude. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my God, guys. Get out of here. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, guys. So that was my personal best redfish. So this paddle was 40 inches and it was a little past 40 inches, man. I don't care. That was my personal best. Whew. I almost shed a tear, man, from all the laughter. Whew, whew, whew. That was so awesome, man. All right, let's try again for something else. That thing just grabbed it and hauled ass with it. Oh man, that was a trout. All right, let's go ahead. All right, anchor right here because I think the rock structure is gonna start. There we go. Man, I couldn't believe that big old redfish, man. I was kind of hoping for a trout, man, but whew, man, it's gonna be a good one for a video. Oh, man. Woo, man. Rough day. So where could the fish be at? I have no idea. The good thing I have a pedal drive kayak. I wouldn't be able to be doing all this cool stuff here if I had a regular paddle yak. I normally catch here, but man, this wind just, I didn't think we were gonna get this much wind today. That's for sure. I knew it was gonna pick up later. Well, I guess it's already 10. I guess, man, we'll make it a day, guys. We didn't get skunked. We got one nice hefty bull red, which it was a CPR, of course. We don't keep big bulls like that at all. All right, let's go. Let's get it.